Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and selamat datang di Study with Nova. Welcome to Study with Nova. Hello allemaal, ik heet Nova and welcome to Study with Nova. And this is like a same like before, and first I wanna show you how it is work. Starts with your work from exercise 9H, and then store the class users privilege at admin in one modules, and then create a separated file, and then make an admin instance and call show privilege to show that everything is working correctly. The first one I wanna just show you. We have like this user increment. Wait a minute. Okay, I wanna show you here, and then here, but I wanna because this is like user, which wait a minute, yeah, because I wanna I think it's more easier for us to using for X in range. Wait a minute, is it working properly or not? 97. Okay, it's working properly. Wait a minute. And yep, I have like a class user here, and then we have like a privilege and admin in one module and create separate file. We have like this. The first one I would like to make another module like before. I want to make module like what's the meaning, admin module. Okay, admin module the py here, admin.py. This is our class, and there are 3 classes in one module, that is class user, and then admin, and then the privilege here. I wanna just copy, and the second one is like I have just only the instance, how to call in the instance, and then we have here, I don't know how to make another name, but yeah, here I wanna just calling our method, our instance here, and it's like to okay, and here we will show I wanna, because I don't have the module, but we must add the import module, that is admin, right? So how, if we have like this, we must add like this, admin.user to calling your user. So admin is your module, because the module is a 3 class, and then yep, you must, if you're writing like this, import just admin, you must add the admin for to calling your class, and then yep, I wanna clear here, and then Control S. Wait a minute, Control S, yeah, Control S. Okay, I think it's okay because I don't have any other instance. Okay, but somehow it's not good enough, because the admin is like the module, calling the module, and then this is the instance. It's okay, but I think you understand like what I'm I don't see Python 3 and then admin 1.p. Is it good? Yes, it is working. It's working properly, right? So yep, done. It's easy, right? It's easy because it is like just make we have like a code, and then we just make one module, and then another module to calling, and done. I wanna clear first git add because there are so many git commit min m. I wanna as well the beginning importing an entire module. It's the meaning my orange. Okay, done. Done. Okay, let's try another questions. Bye.